Howdy folks, this is Durva from DigiWorks. Today we are going to discuss about a problem which occurs with some blogger templates. So the problem is some images get stretched or distorted. So for example, when you use some bigger images and use this original size, the image gets stretched out in desktop and mobile devices. So the image will stretch out like this in desktop. And there is another problem which especially affects mobile devices. What happens, the width will be fine, so the width will be automatically adjusted with this available space for this post, but the height will be same as this original file. So in that case the image will get distorted and it will not maintain the aspect ratio. I'll show you this post how it looks in mobile device. So this is how it looks in mobile device. See, this image is getting stretched out. This all images are getting stretched out. These images are smaller, that is why it's not getting that much stretched out, but for bigger images they're getting stretched out. To fix this, there's really one small fix. There's this small code. This first line will be so adjust this width, and the second line is to adjust this height. So and it will work for both. For this problem also it will work, and for the height problem also it will work, right? Because I have both, right? So you go to your Blogger account, then go to theme, then click on customize, advanced, scroll down, add CSS, then add the code. So the code will be in the description, or I'll link to some other blog post where there will be some more details. Click on apply to blog. Now if we refresh this page, it should be fixed, right? It is fixed. And now for this we'll go to the Blogger account, click theme, customize, advanced, add CSS, and paste the CSS code, then apply to blog. Now if we refresh this page, let's see what happens. See, this got fixed, everything got fixed, right? Hope this helps, guys. There is really a ton of Blogger templates which have this problem, especially the ones which come up with a Blogger itself. For example, this is really popular Blogger template, and this one is a third-party Blogger template called Animo. It looks really nice, but it had that problem. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any queries regarding Blogger or WordPress, please feel free to write down in the comment section. I will try to come up with solutions. Thank you guys. Peace out.